What's up guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja back with another value adding video. In today's video we'll be sharing how you can make money online working as an executive assistant at MindsDB. So watch to the end while I share all the juicy details so that you know exactly what is required to win or have a smashing interview to get hired for this position. Now, I am not affiliated with this company. I am not an HR personnel. I find ways to make money online. I share them. And if you follow them, great. If not, great. I don't have any links to the company. I don't know how their internal structure operates. I just see the information and I share it. Okay, there are many people looking for ways to make money online, and that's okay. My preferred way to make money online is actually through affiliate marketing and through passive income streams. And if you'd like to learn more about how I do that, then click the first link in the description below. All right. I think having a business is the way to go, starting your own business, because one thing that was said to me some time ago, you can't pass your job on to your future generations, but you can definitely pass on a business. All right. Now let's just jump into the lead. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more value from me, the Internet Income Ninja. Now, the current time is 10:32 p.m. If you look in the top left corner of your screen, it's 10:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And at this point in time, this post was made 4 hours ago. It is full time and you get to work internationally, meaning you can work from any country in the world. There are cases where they want people internationally, but they only want them from a specific region because of certain things like the company's operating hours. All right. Now, you'll be an executive assistant and you'll work from anywhere, and you'll be working for MindsDB, and MindsDB enables you to make predictions from tables inside your database, then visualize them in your analytics platform, all using standard SQL. MindsDB was founded in 2017 by Adam Carrigan, Chief Operating Officer, and Jorge Torres, Chief Executive Officer, and is backed with over 5.2 million in seed funding from Y Combinator. OpenOcean, the venture fund launched by the creators of MySQL and MariaDB, and the University of California, Berkeley Skydeck Fund. Excuse me. MindsDB is also a graduate of Y Combinator's recent Winter 2020 batch and was recently recognized as one of America's most promising AI companies by Forbes. Yes, the Forbes the world has grown to know. Now, would you like to play a meaningful role in the democratization of machine learning as part of a scaling venture-backed startup? We are seeking an experienced executive assistant to assist the co-founders on a daily basis. Our co-founders are based in the UK and USA, however, this role is fully remote. You will, and this is the duties of the executive assistant, you will make travel and accommodation arrangements for the parties that you're working for, not yourself. All right? Manage ad hoc projects. All right, so projects that pop up, you just take care of those. Assist the operations team to plan and manage team building events and training courses. Prepare meeting agendas. Take minutes during meetings and extract action items and assign them to teams or people in Asana. Format information for internal and external communication, memos, emails, presentations, reports, and so on. Manage executives' calendars and set up meetings. You'll do some data entry. You'll process one-off payments. You'll email inbox management so that you'll do email inbox management. Some proofreading documents and articles. You'll do web research. You'll manage mail remotely and other admin and ad hoc tasks. So there will be times where things come up. Don't complain that this isn't in my job description. Things will come up and you're required to handle them. Now, what they want you to have to be qualified is 3+ years work experience as an executive assistant, personal assistant, or similar role, ideally for a startup founder or C-suite executive. All right. English fluency, both written and spoken. Excellent Microsoft Office knowledge. Google Workshop, or Google Docs, or Google Calendar experience. Outstanding organizational and time management skills. Excellent verbal and written communication skills. Discretion and confidentiality. Experience with Zoom, Slack, and Asana. It would also be nice to have experience working in a tech startup environment. EA experience in a fully remote organization. Knowledge of ML or AI. And some of the benefits and perks you will experience or receive: fully remote team with flexible hours, competitive compensation, equity in the company, unlimited pay time off and public holidays. Now, it doesn't mean that you don't work all year, but if the time is needed and it's justified, then you'll get your time off and your public holidays. Clearly, the public holidays are given, but your unlimited pay time off does not mean you get the whole year free. Cool? New hire stipend. So you get a remote workstation. So you get some money to put towards the purchase of equipment that you need for your workstation. Okay? Medical, dental, vision insurance for people in the US. Learning and development budget. Monthly virtual team events. International in-person company retreats. So you get to travel to meet the team and hang out with them and stuff. And last but not least, well-being or mental health leave, in addition to your unlimited pay time off and public holidays. If you are somewhere in the region of an executive assistant, you've had jobs or responsibilities in similar roles, do yourself a favor and hit this button. And while you're at it, you can also smash the like button, the subscribe button, hit the like button. So that's my thumb. Hit the like button, comment, share, and just let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if any of the leads I've shared have helped you in some way, shape, or form. I like meeting new people from all over the world. Shoot me a message. We'll shoot the breeze. We'll talk about money. I like talking about money. In days gone by, there were times, and I mean many days gone by, there were times the thought that money was not important was in my head. And I've come to realize that that is a big lie. Money is important. And you definitely need it to get by. But the thing is, life was not made to just get by. You were made to thrive, not just survive. And if you want to learn of different ways to make money online, I strongly encourage that you click the links in the description, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, you are notified and you can be first in line to get the info. It's a very competitive world, and you're not just competing with people in your town anymore. You're literally in England competing with people from Hawaii. You feel me? So compete. Don't sit back and think, oh, I want everybody to be successful. You need to be successful yourself. Because if you especially have a family, then how are you going to cater for them or cater to them? Alright? So, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Continue to stay safe. It's still rough out there, and especially as you approach the Christmas season, don't be silly. Today is Thanksgiving, so give thanks for everything you have. And just have a good one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.